guys, Jeremy from Direction Plus again, and today I wanted to talk to you about the elements and the different filters that are out there available in the market. Now, Direction Plus uses or gets their elements or assemblies from manufacturers that are OEM level, so original equipment manufacturers. So we have our field manager systems, which are used by the likes of John Deere, JCB, and Iveco. So the pretty big worldwide known original equipment manufacturers. So the technology and the standards that they have when manufacturing those assemblies are quite high, and obviously they have all the testing to back up their claims and their separation efficiencies. And then we move on to other things like the Preline, which is made by Man & Hummel. Man & Hummel's a massive German manufacturer as well. So they manufacture for like Volvo, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, all the big European manufacturers. So I just wanted to bring to your attention that just because there is another filter which looks similar in the market doesn't necessarily mean that it is the same. So when buying a filter, make sure that you're actually putting a genuine element, either it's a genuine Toyota filter or a Nissan filter, or if it's one of our kits, that you are actually buying a genuine element from one of our distributors or resellers, and you're actually looking after your vehicle, because at the end of the day, that's the reason why you put these on your car, is to look after your investment. They are very cheap insurance, but at the end of the day, you want to be making sure that you put the equipment on your car is going to do what it says it does, or what you want it to do, which is obviously protect your investment at the end of the day. So behind me I have, so this is our fuel manager, and as I said, it's an OEM, or made by an OEM manufacturer. So the quality assurances that they put in place and everything is obviously that is there to protect your vehicle. We also have our Preline. We brand them Direction Plus, but they are a genuine man filter element, which we get from Man & Hummel. So once again, make sure when you're buying a replacement element for your water separator or your Provent air oil separator, that you do get a genuine element, and try and steer clear of the non-genuine or aftermarket versions of those elements. Another one a lot of people get caught out with as well is the Provent elements. So if you can see, that actually has Man & Hummel molded into the casing. So there's little things like that which you can look at to tell whether you actually are getting a genuine element or not. So once again, stick to the genuine stuff. It comes at a price for a reason, and that's because it's there to protect you and your investment. So thanks again for touching base, and I'll talk to you guys later.